If you want to know how to be unrecognizable by 2026 in the best way, this is the video you need. Today I'm sharing quick 2-minute beauty habits that create a real sustainable 2026 glow up. Clear skin, healthy nails, shiny hair, body care, smelling amazing, and looking polished every single day. Let's jump straight into the beauty tips that actually work. 1. 2-minute habit for clear skin. Clear skin is the foundation of every glow up, and you don't need a 12-step routine. Your daily 2-minute routine is use a general fragrance-free cleanser for 20 seconds, follow with a moisturizer containing ceramides or niacinamide. In the morning, always finish with SPF 30 or higher. This alone will make you look more even, bright, and healthy. And for my girlies with oily skin, a clay mask once a week keeps the dermatologist away. It absorbs oil, reduces blackheads, and instantly smooths texture, a major key for being unrecognizable by 2026. Also, avoid perfumed moisturizers that can irritate your skin barrier and trigger breakouts. Keep it simple, clean, and gentle. 2. 2-minute habit for healthy nails. Healthy nails are one of the fastest ways to look clean and polished because people tend to look at our nails when we first meet, so it plays a huge role when it comes to leaving a great impression on people. And this is the tip that changed my nails completely. Every night I apply my homemade cuticle oil that I made, which is a mix of olive oil, flaxseed oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil. This combination transformed my nails in every way. They're longer, stronger, shinier, and they don't break like they used to. I mentioned this before in a few of my previous videos, but I will not get tired of mentioning this because it really changed everything regarding my nails. So please give it a try. Just 1 drop per nail, massage it in for 30 seconds, and use acetone-free polish remover to avoid drying out the nail plate. This tiny beauty habit makes your hands look expensive with almost no effort. 3. 2-minute habit for a healthy, glowing body. A healthy body is a part of your beauty routine. It shows in your energy, posture, and even your skin. Here's your 2-minute morning reset. Drink a full glass of water right when you wake up. Preferably add some lemon juice or vinegar for a better and faster metabolism and a great digestion. Do a quick posture stretch. Shoulders back, chest lifted, neck long. Hydration plus posture instantly makes you look more confident and polished. A simple but powerful step in your 2026 glow up and your quote-unquote how to look good and polished everyday journey. 4. 2-minute habit for shiny, healthy hair. If your hair looks shiny and healthy, you look put together even on a bare face, no makeup day. Your 2-minute habit is apply a pea-sized amount of hair oil to your ends. Argan, jojoba, keratin-based oils, whatever suits your hair and its needs. And for your shampoo and conditioner, avoid harsh sulfates if your hair is dry or damaged. Look for formulas with argan oil, peptides, or keratin to keep your strands smooth and glossy. 2 minutes a day equals to noticeably healthier, shinier hair in weeks. I previously shared all my tips on how to get a healthy, shiny, and long hair naturally, and some tips for your hair care routine. So if you're curious, you may want to check that out as well. 5. 2-minute habit for smelling good all day. Being the quote-unquote good smell girl is a glow up in itself. Right after your shower, within 2 minutes, apply a fragrance-free body lotion to damp skin. This locks in hydration and helps your perfume last longer. Then use a clean deodorant. Spray perfume on clothing as well as skin. Keep a mini mist in your bag for a refresh. Good body care plus good hygiene equals to looking polished without trying too hard. 6. 2-minute habit for an everyday polished look. Choose one tiny grooming habit to do daily. This becomes your signature polished girl move. Some ideas: brush your brows upward. Apply a tinted lip balm. Wipe your phone screen to prevent cheek breakouts. This really works. These micro habits build the version of you that looks put together even on your busiest days. Personally, I like to color correct my under eyes before I go out, and I also apply a light foundation to my face. That way, I just instantly look more put together, and this literally takes 2 to 3 minutes. So choose your tiny habit and try to apply it every single day. If you stay consistent with these tiny 2-minute beauty hacks, you will glow up faster than you think. Clear skin, shiny hair, strong nails, healthy body, all while looking polished every day. Small habits really compound, and that's truly how to be unrecognizable in 2026. And if you want even more inspiration, I uploaded my full glow up transformation video where I show you my personal journey step by step. So after this video, make sure you check that out. So until next time, bye.